Hey guys, so I really need to clean my room. It's not that bad, but I really enjoy cleaning. It's like probably one of my favorite things to do. So I'm gonna be resetting and cleaning because that's the kind of space I like to be in. So I'm gonna actually dust my fan, and I haven't done that in months. It definitely needs it though, so let's go. Okay, this is actually really gross. I didn't realize it was that bad. Maybe I should be doing this more often. I just wiped my TV, but you can literally see fingerprints, so we're gonna clean the mirrors and TV now. Like, no, that is making me so angry. My heart is beating for you. I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running. Guys, this is so much better. I could not stand to look at those fingerprints. Okay, I never do this, but I'm gonna try to clean the windows. I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on reflecting. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. So sad, so sad. Okay, this already looks so much better, and so does my vanity. Okay, now I'm gonna do my dresser, and we're gonna wipe that down and get all this stuff off of here. I get straight to me. You always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all best scent ever. I literally have car fresheners of it because it's just that good. Okay, I'm gonna vacuum my room up now. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more. Okay, it's time to clean my bathroom now. So I'm just gonna wipe everything down. The toilet has seen better days, but we're gonna fix that. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the toilet off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm just gonna pick this stuff up and then vacuum in here as well. I didn't hang this up when I was done, so I'm gonna do that now. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no lady. In the meantime, okay, so I am done. I'm pretty much done cleaning now because everything else that I would have done I did a few days ago. But I am done now. I'm gonna pick up that stuff in a minute, but it looks so much better. Feels amazing. My camera is about to die though, so I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.